Okay, so here's the graph from that run, and we've got 3 lines. So go on, Tim, tell us what it all means.
So this line here is the power in horsepower.
Okay, so it peaks at 77.
So the rev range that we've been running through is 2,000 to...
That's like
just short of 6,000.
Yeah.
So the peak power is 77.67.
That's about...
And that gets...
About 5.5.
About 5.5, yeah.
And
this line here is torque measured in pounds-foot.
Yeah.
And you can see as soon as I snap the throttle open full at 2,000 RPM, you're getting just over 65 pounds-foot torque.
Yeah.
And it runs through to peak, which is just about here, which is 4,750.
And it fades away.
And it tails away. But as you can notice at the bottom here, this bottom red line is the actual fuel-air ratio that you want to try and achieve to get
perfect running,
perfect volumetric efficiency, which is about 13.5 to 1.
Yeah.
You can see that I'm under the line is rich, above the line is lean, and I'm very, very rich at the moment, so I need to do some adjustments.
Which means
so possibly I could this will pull it up to probably 80 horsepower. If it was a cold day, might just do 82, 83, and hopefully another couple of more pounds-foot torque, which, considering it's got a standard head-on with it's got reworked valves in it, so they're slightly bigger diameter, and it's a standard carb with a Dyno kit in it.
Standard cams.
It's got a homemade exhaust pipe on it and a homemade air intake, so there's no air filter on it.
No, not on it.
And it's got a Hammer Performance big bore 1250 big bore kit on it.
Yeah.
So I say, considering I'm not tinkering with any anything on the valves and the cams. Yeah. And I've built an exhaust off how I feel it should be on my heart.
Then the output's
it goes quite good.
Yeah. Right, we'll stop there because the phone's going, so that's a good time to... oh, hang on, no, it's gone. So just to go over it again, round about peak horsepower here at 5,000.
So peak horsepower's about here.
5,500. So in top gear, how fast would that be?
So in top gear, that you're looking out to here on the dyno, it's measured at 110 miles an hour.
So it's about 100 miles an hour at peak horsepower, which you ain't going to go much faster than that on
not on the road, not with the bike completely open.
No. So the internet and everything I've read indicates that if you had some sort of aftermarket cams in it, that would go a lot higher, but you might lose out a little bit low down. I mean, making over 65 pound-feet of torque at...
Well, when you can see that, the aspiration really is to get
a flat line.
Your torque as a flat line. So that's quite good.
Compared to a Japanese bike. Really.
When you look at, there's no dips or I've got an aftermarket exhaust on there, and there's an absolute. You could put a ruler on there now.
Yeah, it's very straight.
And that's a straight line, so that's testament to how well that motor runs, really. I'm more than happy with that as a bike that I can use as a quick, sprightly around the lanes, sprightly through town. I'm not interested in bashing down the motorway with it. But I might, it's almost good enough now to probably consider entering in a sprint or a. So we'll probably enter it in a sprint maybe next year, maybe the end of this year. So that's something to look out for. I'm definitely keen to do that.
Okay, so I'll hopefully be there to film it. So as a road motor then, that kind of output is pretty damn useful. And as I say, or as you say, when this
well, actually, what I can do is I'll go and have a look and see if I've got any data on 1200 Harley Davidsons now.
That you've done in the past,
that we've done in the past, and see what horsepower they're putting out.
Quite interesting. Okay, great stuff. And now it's time for tea.